Hi there, students. Behest. Yes, behest. Most commonly, you're going to see this as at the behest of, because somebody has asked for it to be done. At the behest of Julia, I've made a chocolate cake. So Julia requested it. She ordered it, if you like. I think behest is probably slightly stronger than request. It's got a bit more idea of an order. So at the behest of, a request or order to do something from somebody. I came to work early at the behest of my boss, because my boss told me to. He did the job at his wife's behest. She asked him, she told him to do it. Okay, so I made the video on the at the behest of a student's request. At the behest of a student, I made the video. Okay, behest on its own is an order or a command. But most commonly you're going to find it, as I said, in the phrase at the behest of. But I cannot refuse your slightest behest. The behests of duty weigh heavily on a prime minister. The slave complied with his master's behest. Okay, if you use behest like this, it sounds very literary and very formal. Okay, at the behest of is pretty formal, but if you use it instead of order or request, you're going up even more in formality. So behest, instruction, request, requirement, wish, desire. He is acting at the behest of the Queen. The Queen told him to do it. At the behest of the headmaster, you are required to go to the cafeteria. The headmaster told me to tell you to go to the cafeteria. At the behest of the authorities, I wear a face mask whenever I go out. At whose behest, I was going to say request and it works, at whose behest was this work carried out? So looking at the formality, I would say at the behest of 7.5. But if you use it in others, 8.5 to 9, and incredibly literary. I think informally, request, wish, order, instruction, something like that. And the origin, well, there's an old English word, behest, which meant a vow, a promise. But I'm not sure where it came from before that. So, at the behest of, they told you to do it. They asked you to do it. They instructed you to do it. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Behest.